In today's fast-paced construction and DIY world, efficiency is everything. The difference between an average worker and a professional often comes down to the tools they use. Modern tools are no longer just about power, they are about precision, speed, safety, and convenience. In this video, we are going to explore 12 innovative tools that are designed to solve real-world problems, reduce effort, and dramatically improve productivity. From smart dust control solutions to fully automated tying machines, each of these tools represents a leap forward in how work gets done. Let's begin. 1. Ceiling Tripod Attachment, STE-DS. Working on ceilings has always been physically demanding and uncomfortable. Holding tools or materials above shoulder height for long periods leads to fatigue and reduced accuracy. The STE-DS ceiling tripod attachment is designed to eliminate that struggle. It acts as a stable support system that presses firmly between the floor and ceiling, allowing you to mount tools or hold materials in place with precision. This not only improves safety but also ensures consistent results. Whether you are installing drywall, lighting, or ceiling panels, this tool effectively replaces the need for an extra set of hands. 2. Rotary Hammer Dust Attachment. Concrete drilling is one of the messiest tasks on any job site. Dust spreads quickly, reducing visibility and posing serious health risks when inhaled. The rotary hammer dust attachment is a simple yet highly effective solution to this problem. It connects directly to your drill and captures dust at the source as you work. This results in a cleaner environment, i.e., better accuracy, and improved safety for both professionals and nearby workers. In environments where cleanliness and air quality matter, this tool becomes essential rather than optional. 3. Rockler Saw Blade Cleaning Kit. Saw blades often lose efficiency, not because they are dull, but because they are dirty. Resin, pitch, and debris build up over time, causing friction and poor cutting performance. The Rockler Saw Blade Cleaning Kit is specifically designed to restore blades to their original condition. By using a specialized cleaning solution and brush, it removes buildup without damaging the blade. The result is smoother cuts, reduced strain on your machine, and a longer lifespan for your tools. Regular maintenance with this kit can significantly improve overall work quality. 4. Makita XRT01ZK 18V LXT Brushless Cordless Rebar Tying Tool. Rebar tying is traditionally a repetitive and physically exhausting task that consumes both time and energy. The Makita XRT01ZK rebar tying tool revolutionizes this process by automating it bilcamel. With a simple trigger press, the tool wraps and secures wire around rebar joints in seconds. This ensures consistent tension and reduces human error. It is particularly valuable on large construction sites where hundreds of ties are required daily. By increasing speed and reducing fatigue, this tool allows workers to focus on more critical aspects of construction. 5. Bosch Cordless Circular Saw GKS 10.8 VLI Professional. Portability and precision are essential when it comes to cutting tools. The Bosch GKS 10.8 VLI cordless circular saw offers both a compact and efficient design. Its lightweight build makes it easy to handle, especially in tight spaces or elevated work areas. Despite its size, it delivers clean and accurate cuts across a variety of materials. The cordless feature eliminates the hassle of cables, making it ideal for on-site work where mobility is key. It is a perfect example of how modern tools combine convenience with performance. 6. Makita DML814LXT Tower. Light lighting plays a crucial role in maintaining accuracy and safety on any job site. Poor lighting can lead to mistakes, accidents, and reduced productivity. The Makita DML814LXT Tower Light is designed to provide powerful, adjustable illumination for large work areas. It features a tall, extendable structure that distributes light evenly across the workspace. Being cordless, it can be placed anywhere without restriction. This makes it especially useful for nighttime work or indoor projects where natural light is limited. Reliable lighting ensures that every detail is clearly visible. 7. DeWalt DCF 902 Impact Wrench. When it comes to fastening and loosening bolts, efficiency and torque matter the most. The DeWalt DCF902 impact wrench delivers high performance in a compact form. It is designed for precision work in tight spaces where larger tools cannot reach. Despite its small size, it provides strong torque output, making it suitable for automotive, mechanical, and construction tasks. Its ergonomic design also ensures comfort during prolonged use. This tool proves that power does not always require bulk. 8. Makita GRM05. Job site radio work environments can often become repetitive and mentally exhausting. The Makita GRM05 job site radio adds an element of comfort and motivation to the workspace. Built to withstand harsh conditions, it delivers high-quality sound while being durable and weather-resistant. It supports multiple audio inputs, allowing workers to play music or listen to updates throughout the day. While it may not directly improve productivity, it significantly enhances morale, which indirectly boosts overall performance and focus. 9. Wera 6006 Joker Self-Setting Double Spanner. Traditional wrenches require constant adjustment, especially when dealing with different bolt sizes. The Wera 6006 Joker Self-Setting Spanner eliminates this inconvenience. It automatically adjusts to fit various sizes, saving time and effort. Its design also prevents slipping, ensuring a secure grip on fasteners. This reduces the risk of damage to both the tool and the workpiece. For professionals who frequently switch between tasks, this tool offers unmatched convenience and efficiency. 10. Klein Tools ET310AC Circuit Breaker Finder. Electrical work requires precision and safety above all else. Identifying the correct circuit breaker can often be confusing and time-consuming. The Klein Tools ET310 Circuit Breaker Finder simplifies this process by accurately locating the corresponding breaker for any outlet. It reduces guesswork and minimizes the risk of working on live circuits. This tool is particularly useful for electricians and maintenance professionals who need reliable and quick identification in complex electrical systems. 11. Behui Tools Vibration Tile Beater Tile Installation demands precision and proper alignment to achieve a professional finish. The Behui Vibration Tile Beater helps ensure that tiles are evenly set without air gaps underneath. By using controlled vibration, it settles tiles firmly into adhesive, improving bonding and reducing the chances of uneven surfaces. This results in a smoother finish and longer-lasting installations. It is a highly effective tool for both professionals and anyone aiming for perfect tiling results. 12. Flex 24 Volt Brushless 3/8-inch stapler. Fastening materials quickly and securely is a common requirement across many projects. The Flex 24-volt brushless stapler offers a cordless solution with consistent performance. Its brushless motor ensures durability and efficiency, while the compact design allows easy handling. It is ideal for tasks like upholstery, insulation, and light construction work. The tool delivers precise and reliable stapling without the need for compressors or cords, making it both convenient and powerful. The tools we have explored today are not just upgrades, they are solutions to real challenges faced in everyday work. Each one is designed to save time, reduce effort, and improve results. As technology continues to evolve, tools like these will become standard rather than exceptional. Investing in the right equipment is not just about convenience. It is about working smarter, safer, and more efficiently. If you are serious about improving your workflow, these tools are worth considering.